In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I picked up from Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you are new here, I film beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also, if you like this video, if you're excited for another haul, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. The first thing, I don't think I'm going to go necessarily in order of what days things were on sale, but the first thing I am going to mention was on sale. It was the first thing that I picked up from the 21 Days of Beauty, and that is because it has a big story behind this that I will link in the description box as well as the eye up above. This is the Ofra highlighter in the shade Star Island. If you've missed this storytime video, once again, it's a good one. I actually got this for free from Ulta, so make sure you check that out to see how I got it for free. Also, I couldn't really get a good swatch in that video, so let me try to swatch it for you guys now. I still have some swatches left over from a favorites video. But yeah, it's stunning. It's the highlight that I have on today, but just as you know, a little disclaimer, I do have the Becca liquid highlight. I can't remember the exact shade, but I do have a Becca liquid highlight on underneath this. If I was thinking, I would have just used this because this is beautiful on its own too. I just really love good highlight. Who doesn't love a good highlight? The next thing I'm super excited for is this Tarte blush. This is the first full-size Tarte blush that I've owned. I've owned a couple of the trial, like individual little sizes, just through various circumstances, but this shade I believe is really similar to one that I already own, and this is in the shade Risque. This is the blush that I have on today. I've been wearing it, I think every day that I wear makeup I've been wearing this since I bought it. I just think it's a very, very beautiful shade on my skin tone, and I think it's really, really wearable. And also another thing is I expect this blush to last me for like 5 years. Same as that highlighter, because the mini sizes that I have, specifically the shade Party, I think I've had that one for 3 years, at least 2, but I still have like some blush in that, and I have used that blush so many times. Unfortunately, a little bit of it did shatter, but I still have blush, left in the pan, and I think that that's a beautiful shade. So yeah, I think that it's going to last me a very long time. The next thing that I have that I'm super excited about was that this was on sale. I did pick up the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Powder, and I also picked up one for my mom. Well, she bought it, but while I was there, I got her hooked on it, and I'm just very happy about that because my mom, she does wear makeup, but she doesn't wear she's not as into makeup as I am. So I'm just happy to have influenced her into getting a great setting powder, and I hope she loves it as much as I do. The next thing I have not picked up, but that's because at the time of filming this, just the way that things have worked out, I haven't picked it up yet, but I do have one to show you. That's the Tarte Shape Tape. Super excited to get that 50% off. I think that was for Platinum and Diamond members only, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, that's a great concealer. Highly recommend. Cannot rave enough about it. I think I'm gonna just pick up one, but we'll see. I know I'm at least gonna pick up one. I'm so excited to get that 50% off. That is such a great concealer. The next thing I have not picked up yet either, but I will insert footage whenever I do. That is the Tarte Stay Spray. That's the Tarte setting spray, and I'm getting that because I have a coupon for $5 off of 10, and it includes prestige brands. So hopefully the Ulta that is somewhat near me has it, so I don't have to buy it online, but I will buy it online, I guess, if I have to. But I've said this several times, I hate paying for shipping. But anyway, so after the $5 off and before tax, I should be able to get it for $20. And I believe it's the same size as the Urban Decay setting spray. And I'm not going back on my word for that one, but I've really been curious to try out the Tarte setting spray. And also, especially since the size is the same, they're both 4 fluid ounces, I believe. Right now, the full price, the Urban Decay one is $33. So I'm sure I'll still use that in the future, but I don't want to run out of setting spray, and especially while I have this coupon, I feel like it's a good time to try out that Tarte. Hey, so real quick, it is a different day obviously, but I just picked up the Tarte Face Tape setting spray, and I wanted to show you because first of all, it's beautiful. I mean, all of the Tarte packaging is, really pretty, and this is what it looks like. I believe it is still 4 fluid ounces. So you obviously shake it really well, and I just, you know, looked at it in store and that kind of thing. And this does claim to be waterproof, I'm pretty sure. Also, there's cucumber and aloe extract, so it smells really refreshing. But just I just want to show you the mister. Obviously, this is the first time that I've used it, so like it's so fine. It's way more fine than, it smells really good too. Let me show you one more time. It's really, really fine. I don't want to breathe that in. It's really, really fine. It's a lot more fine than the Urban Decay setting spray. Obviously, I need to use this, you know, for a while to see my thoughts in comparing the two. And I do really still love the Urban Decay one, but I just kind of wanted to show that comparison. Also, I had a free coupon for a free item with any purchase, and this was the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, which I have used before. It's a pretty intense treatment, but it is really, really expensive. And let's see how many, like it's a really small size. It's 0.25 fluid ounces, but I mean, this is a really expensive product, so I thought that that was a good deal too. I love whenever Ulta has free gifts with purchase. Also, I purchased this with my points, and I only had to pay like a couple dollars, and that's how I did for a lot of my purchases for the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I either used points or, you know, the for highlighter I did get for free. And also I had a gift card for my birthday that I also purchased a few things with as well. So that was great. A great way of saving money. And okay, so now back to the rest of the haul. The next thing that I have to show you is not actually from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. Oh, actually, I almost forgot to mention my mascara. This is from the 21 Days of Beauty. Let's show this first. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. This was 50% off. Lancome mascaras are great, but they are not inexpensive, and it's for a reason. They're a great mascara. I actually have a travel size of that I received as a free item from Ulta for my birthday that I haven't used yet, so obviously I will use that one up before I use up the full-size one. But I have used this mascara in the past, and it's a really, really great mascara. Recently, I have used up the Lancome Hypnose Drama, which is also another great mascara and another mascara recommendation, but full price, that mascara is $27.50. I'm pretty sure. And I just remember back in the day, I never thought that I would pay that much for mascara. And whenever I did get the Hypnose Drama one, I'm pretty sure I did get it 50% off, but regardless, I'm rambling a little bit, but those are both great mascaras, and I was really, really happy to be able to pick this one up since it was a beauty steal. I love mascara, and I love my lashes to be as voluminous as possible, and that one gives me great volume, so I also highly recommend that mascara. Now we are on to something that I did not actually pick up from the 21 Days of Beauty, but my friend Sarah picked up for me. So I got her one of these since I'm a platinum member and I had free shipping, so I picked up her one of those, and she was going to pay me back, but instead of that, she found at Marshall's this beautiful find. This is a full-size NARS Laguna bronzer. Real quick, I'm just going to show you my little travel size one that I have to show you how well loved I love this bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer at the moment. It blends beautifully. I actually mentioned this in my favorites, but I'm pretty sure this is going up before my favorites, but regardless, it blends beautifully. It has like little shimmer in it. I think that just helps with the blendability, and also it just kind of gives it a natural sheen. So I am so excited about this. Oh, another thing. So full price, this bronzer is $39, and she got it for $16.99. Like, I haven't even opened this up yet. This has like the soft touch packaging. Like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It still has like the little cover on it, and this is what the bronzer looks like. Obviously, I will use up my travel size one before using this full size one, but I was so excited whenever she called me about this. She like called to ask and see if I wanted it, and I was just like, yes, absolutely. Those are all of the items that I have to share in this haul video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, if you have any video recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to check that out and see, you know, your guys' recommendations. Once again, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.